To remove the fog light, you find the connector, you pinch down on the top, and you pull. The two mounting bolts are right here, and it's a T40. You'll see this notch right there, that's on the bracket for the fog light, and that is just an alignment pin, lines it up. Lift it up, slide it out. Bring it up in, you have this notch right here, middle bracket, and there's a cutout in the bumper. Line that right up in there. Start one, get the other bolt. Grab your T40 Torx bit and snug her up. Make sure you hold it flat once it gets close enough, because you want that metal piece to be lined up in that groove. And you can see right here is the alignment bolt. So once you turn them on, plug them in, you can use your T40 and loosen this, and you can see how it will pivot up and down at whatever angle you want. Now you take your connector, attach it to the vehicle harness side, just click it in until it snaps. There you go.